The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
We've had a lot of rain these past 2 days. Patrick County has gotten nearly 9 inches in some of its areas in western portions of Patrick County, getting to the northern portions of Patrick County, anywhere from 7 to 8 inches of rain. Salem also seeing near 3 inches of rain in the past 2 days. Getting into Pennsylvania, nearly 5 inches of rain. Same thing for Franklin. So a boatload of rain in the past couple of days here in West and Central Virginia, and unfortunately more is to come tomorrow. Now there is a big flood risk, and it's primarily where we've seen a lot of the rainfall. Patrick County is the big highlight here with 2 areas indicated in red, so that will last through Tuesday. Now Future Tracker, over tonight we could see a few pop-up showers here and there. Mostly cloudy conditions to wake up on your Tuesday morning, but by 1 p.m. we'll start to see isolated pop-up showers. A few of these could have some lightning embedded in them, and a few of them could have some heavy downpours. Now by 4, it's more scattered up to the north, and then by later on tomorrow evening, it tracks off to the north and to the east of us. Now Wednesday is basically the same story. We'll start to see mostly cloudy conditions, and then overnight more rain chances. However, in the afternoon hours, a cold front starts to push through, and then drier air and cooler air starts to move in behind it. Here's how it could be looking. Tuesday and Wednesday is showing Future Tracker rainfall anywhere up to 3 inches nearing Floyd County, right into Franklin County, and then getting into Carroll County. Also looking at possibly 3 inches of rain over the next 2 days. Off in Lynchburg, only about 1/10 of an inch, and then here in the Roanoke Valley, anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. Now overnight tonight, temperatures get down to about 66, 69 here in Roanoke, but tomorrow temperatures rise up just a little bit warmer than they were today, getting to about 80 in Lynchburg and Roanoke, and then the NRV about 75. Your Tuesday planner showing rain chances all day. It's going to be another wet, it's going to be another soggy one. Now we are tracking the tropics. Idalia is still a tropical storm out there, but it's likely to hit Florida in the next 2 days or so. Franklin is avoiding the eastern U.S., so that is good because it's currently a Category 4 hurricane. And we're also tracking another wave off the coast of Africa. Watches and warnings at the moment. Hurricane warning here in red for much of the Gulf Coast of Florida, and then tropical storm warnings indicated in blue, expanding from central all the way to eastern Florida. Now here's the 11 p.m. advisory. 70-mile-per-hour winds, pressures down just a little bit, but still expected to be a major Category 3 hurricane by landfall, indicating anywhere from Cedar Key all the way to Apalachicola. However, a lot of the models bring it right in here, basically right on the center of the track, and then it'll transition into a tropical storm later on. Now here's where Idalia could go. The local impact, if it goes more north and west of the path, we could see some rain and possibly some tropical storm wind gusts. Now, if it goes further south or east of the track, that means sunshine is brought to us on Thursday and Friday. So we are looking at the steering mechanisms. This cold front out here is basically the big saving grace for us. It depends on the timing of that front. If it pushes through quick enough, it'll start to push the storm out to sea. If not, unfortunately, we'll likely get rain. Now, Tropical Storm Franklin is actually Hurricane Franklin right now, Category 4. This is the most intense storm that we've seen this season. It's the only hurricane north of latitude 29 degrees to be a major hurricane in the history, going back to 1983, I believe, is when we started recording hurricane histories. So it's really going out there. So rain expected on your Tuesday and Wednesday, and then this weekend we cool off and we dry off just in time for Labor Day.